Welcome to DataCatchup YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more empowering data science videos. 7 Statistical and Machine Learning Concepts that you should know for data science. 1. Tree-based methods. A. Decision trees. B. Random forest. C. Gradient boosting trees. 2. Linear regularized models. A. Lasso and ridge. B. Linear regression. C. Logistic regression. 3. Hypothesis testing and confidence. A. A/B testing. B. Chi-square test. C. Statistical tests. 4. Resampling methods. A. Bootstrapping and bagging. C. Cross-validation. 5. Clustering k-means. 6. Feature selection. 7. Evaluation metrics. A. Classification metrics. B. Regression metrics. If you find this video interesting, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more technology videos.